What's happening, guys? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. Yeah, baby. What's happening? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Welcome. Let's see what's going on. What's going on with our crypto world? What is up? Let me know if you can hear me clearly, loud and clear. And the setup is still good. So, the title of the video, why is it that Bitcoin is going up? Why is Bitcoin going up? Well, I think we are repeating the same thing that we did here. Right here. Same kind of scenario. Right there. So, I believe it'll be a boring phase going up. So, we'll be doing something like this, right? Why am I saying so? Where does this lead to? Right. The top line, the top trend line, where does it lead to? 23, 22. Depends the way you look at it. Hey, 23, 22. So, I see an arc. So until we get out of this channel, it's going to be boring. It's going to be, Bitcoin is going to be volatile. The price action will be just like this choppy price action. The goal is to mess with the bulls. The goal is mess with the bears. Take money from every angle. As much money as they can from retail traders. This is a chop. This is the last time the market makers will be able to make the money. Right? So they chopped people right here. They chopped people right here. That includes everybody loses. You know, in this game, everybody loses. The bears and the bulls, everybody loses. The goal is for the market makers to make as much money as possible. So that's what's going to happen here, right? Until we go up to this level. You know, I would say depends how far we take it, to the bottom of the line or to the top of the line, or it could be in the middle. So it could be 22,000. I would say between $22,000 to $23,000. That's where we are heading to. 23.8, possibly kissing $24,000. Yeah. So between $22,000 to $24,000. That's where I think Bitcoin is heading to. But as I said, it's going to be very volatile. Right here, it's going to be up and down, up and down, up and down before we break out of this channel and start to go up, right? So until we stay in this channel, it's going to be ups and downs, right? So do not try to trade this. It's a chop. It's meant to chop you up and take your money, right? And yeah, no leverage trading at this moment. You know, time to trade was right here. You know, I mentioned that this was the time if somebody wanted to do leverage trading, you can short Bitcoin right here. I made a video about short Bitcoin right here, right? When we reached here, this is when I said as well, this is the top. You can short Bitcoin if you want, right? So these are like, you know, when I feel like I'm 90% sure that what's gonna happen. So we can short. Again, I'm looking at the DXY. There's another chart that we need to look at to make sure whatever we are saying comes to fruition. DXY dollar index. What is dollar doing? I think dollar still has room to go down. So see this arc? There's still room to go down and kiss this arc. So still possible that it may go down. A lot of people are asking that, they're saying that dollar will start going up. I don't think so. It still has room to go down. It can come and kiss this level right here before it goes up, if at all, if it's gonna go up, or just collapse from here. So it can come back down to this level, right? Yeah, it can come back down to this level, so before some sort of yeah, absolutely. So I think we still have room. This is monthly, so how long it takes to come down, you don't know, but it has room to come back down. How is everyone? Hello, Shrek TV, baby. Yeah, man. How are you? I'm having my tea. It's 7 o'clock in the evening, 7:12 to be precise, in the United States. My guys, you guys are awesome. You have like 5 people, 5 likes. Amazing. Thank you, brothers. Thank you. I appreciate it. So, yeah, that's where we are going, because I was looking at the chart of Theta, because remember I told you that Bitcoin's going down last live. Why? Because I expected Theta to go down. So here we are. Daily. This is 3 days chart. So I was saying that Theta might go to 82, 83 cents. It came down to 84 cents last time I looked. Yeah, 84 cents. So it's possible, that this is it, or it may go down one more time. Not sure, man. Right now, I think it'll start going up. But again, it's in a channel. Theta is in this channel. It'll be in this channel until it breaks out, right? So expect the price action to be sideways, up and down, just like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, this thing is gonna go up. When Bitcoin goes down, it's gonna go down, up, down, and then it'll break out. Okay, so yeah, sideways action for between 30 to 45 days of sideways action. I expect 30 to 40 days. After that, after chopping everybody in the market, getting everybody tired, we'll start to go up. I posted a chart on my Patreon about the realized losses. Realized losses. Hold on. Realized losses on Bitcoin. I was looking at Rush Hour 4. Look at the realized loss here. The realized loss, this is where Bitcoin hit the bottom, okay? Look at that. So we are very close, man, to hitting the bottom right there. Okay? So we are at the bottom, or we are very close to the bottom. What is realized loss? The amount of money that people are losing. Right. Look at that. $213 billion losses this bear market. Okay? Imagine somebody bought Bitcoin at 60,000 and sold at 40,000. Whatever the loss is, this aggregated loss. That's a loss. So, this is not time to be bearish. No. Even if you go freaking $14,000, $10,000, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. But I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish at this time. On altcoins, yes, I am bearish on altcoins. There are several altcoins which will rally, which will go up, which have not found their bottom yet. I'll give you an example of, say, Adventure Gold, AGLD. Again, I posted a chart of this thing. What happened there? Damn it. Okay. So I posted a chart for AGLD, Adventure Gold, on my Patreon. And I think I made a video as well for AGLD. So this has a long way to go down. Even if we go up here out right now, think of it this way. It goes up, consolidates, it comes back down. There's something else that I saw today which looks very, very bad, okay? Very bad. I forgot. I think it was crypto.com, but it was an older version of it, so I messed up on the chart. I was sick since past 3-4 days. Still a little sick, but I'm recovering. I had, it wasn't COVID, but it was some sort of flu. So I'm fine now. Just a little congested. Let's see what's pumping. What is going up and what is going down? Oh, Ridge and Trail is moving. Track is moving. Again, I posted a chart for Track on my Patreon. I did. I mentioned about this move. Cody, what's up? What's going on, brother? Bitcoin Jason. This is good for BCH. What's good for BCH? Yeah, sideways action, and I posted this on the Patreon, the whole chart for, if anybody in Track, I will do the chart for you, if you want me to, but it'll do something like this. I will not give you precise number right now, but this is what it's gonna do. Something like this. Where are we? Who is else in the house? Man, very few people. We are the last standing wall, you know? These people are trying to break it. These people are trying to break us. But imagine, you know, when the bull market comes, everyone will be here, back again. All these little mouse will come out of their burrows. We are still standing. We are still standing. Man, the deals, a lot of people are not interested in crypto right now, but deals are right now. This is when, you know, next 2-3 months, this is where the deals are going to come. Next 3 months, 4 months, that's it. Next 3 months, 4 months, that's where the deals are. First quarter of 2023. Once we have that crash in March, you know, once we are done with that crash, I think we'll be done. Somewhere we will reach Jan or Feb, the local top. Jan or Feb could be a local top when Bitcoin reaches about $22,000, between $22,000 to $24,000. Once that is done, we will have a pullback in Bitcoin. And during that pullback, the coins which have not made their lows will make their lows. And we will move on from there. And then after that, Bitcoin will hit somewhere around $30,000 to $34,000. Yeah. That's how I think it's going to play out. Thanks, Ray. XRP is going to explode soon, I think. XRP. Let's get XRP, my favorite. It's due, brother. Look. You see this? I mean, it can, if it wants to, it can come back down one more time here before it goes up. The only thing I don't like is these triangles. See, whenever a crypto makes these triangles, 90% of the time, they break bearish. 90% of the time. Okay? Anytime you look, majority of the time when a crypto you start to think that, okay, we are done here, it breaks bearish, right? Makes a triangle. Does a fake out, it breaks bearish, right? Majority of the time, right? Let's look at here. In this case, we didn't go bearish. Did we go bearish? No. This was good. So this was a positive scenario where we went up, right? So we are forming a huge triangle right now that, you know, you just have to be very iffy. But ultimately, it'll go bullish. It's just a fake out bearishness. Even if it goes down like that, if it goes down to this number right here. Hold on. The max XRP can go down is this number, I think, right there. Right there. You know, so it's possible. It's possible XRP. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Whatever happens right now, you know, it's irrelevant. That's how I see it, right? The possibility of this happening. See, if this happens, it depends on how many people are holding XRP. Did they capitulate? Did people just sell everything and get out? With the Coinbase news, when Coinbase said that they were delisting, not delisting, they were removing XRP from the wallet. So we could just do this, come back down, go up, and break out of this, right? And just do this, right? So we'll have to watch. I'm looking at closely, but there is a possibility that this might happen just to shake you off the last thing. But yeah, man, I'm not worried about XRP. Even if we do this move like that, come back up and do this, right? This move is possible, okay? So going back down, XRP can come and kiss this 25 cents level. It's possible. We may do that, okay? And it's nothing to worry about. Then go up. But looking at the sentiment right now, you know, I'm bullish until Jan, Feb, even, yeah, January, February. So, yeah. It takes very little move for sentiment to turn bullish, right? And you know how XRP moves. See this? How these long candles, just 2 weeks, boom, boom. Look at here, these long candles. When time comes, things gonna move like this, move fast, okay? When the time is right, things are going to move fast, okay? Insane motivation by DJ. Bitcoin is gonna pump after Jan 17th, 2023. Massive lag in the chat, but yes, BCH is at great price, and when BTC pumps, BCH will pump too. I agree. There's a lag in the chat. Why is a lag in the chat? I don't want to influence kids. Bad influence. Shaheem, Akram. Okay. There's a lag in the chat, man. I don't know what to do. I haven't done anything. It's the same setup. Yeah, it's probably the internet. Are you able to see it clearly? And hear me properly? Shaheem, I'm doing great, brother. God bless. I thank God every day for this beautiful life, you know? Beautiful life people don't understand, you know? My wife was a medical physicist. She passed away when she was 32, right? Head-on collision, she was gone. You know? Every day above the ground is a good day. Every day above the ground is a good day. Where was I? Okay. So Ampleforth. Let's look at Ampleforth. This is wrapped Ampleforth, WAMPL. What's the difference between wrapped Ampleforth? The price should be same, right? Wasn't Ampleforth like the fourth supposed to be like a stable coin? Look at the dump, man. What's up? What's going on? Stabilized here. Really, really weird, you know, cycle for this thing. I don't like it. Really weird. What was I looking at? Fourth. Ampleforth. Ampleforth. Yeah, no bueno, man. Look. Look, I I charted this. No bueno. This thing can jerk you around. Ample fourth. Fourth can jerk you around here. And then to what number is this? 50 cents? Yeah. 50 cents for ample fourth. If we lose this level, ample fourth's gonna come back down to this level right here. $2.48. We lose $2.48. Fourth is done. Everywhere I see is triangles, arcs. Triangle, arcs. That's what I see. Look, any patterns. All right, there will be, you will find arcs and triangles. They are not symmetric, you know, not always symmetric, but there are arcs. See? Triangle. Right. A lot of people want to learn, you know, it's just observe, man. Observing cycles. Observe cycles. Go on TradingView and look at old crypto since 1800s. 1827. The Dow Jones is one of the oldest charts that you'll be able to study. DJI. Old, really old, right? So study old companies which has been out there since, you know, 100 years, like Procter and Gamble, GE. There are so many companies, Ford. Study their cycle. Study, you know, it's any asset. Study gold, silver, you know, so you get an idea how assets work. It's just, you know, it's just like studying for your exams. If you do papers of past 10 years, you'll be able to pass with good grades, right? It's not rocket science. So they will not innovate questions from their ass. They'll have to, you know, it'll be similar kind of questions will be asked in your exams. So just like that, there will be, the cycles are not exact like copy and paste. There are some changes, but more or less they act accordingly. Thank you for covering Loom a little bit ago. That is a good looking chart. Yeah, man, I love Loom. Loom is awesome, bro. Loom's gonna do really well. It's a beautiful looking chart. So I'm picking cryptos for the next cycle. Cryptos which are going to do really well, which have gone through the bullshit. Somebody on YouTube mentioned to do a chart for Zilliqa. So here's a chart for Zilliqa. Look, bro, I personally think, you know, this is where Zilliqa stops. It's done. Huge resistance. Can it go here? Well, always a possibility, you know, but I don't think it'll go down this path. I think it's done. Look at this, just beautiful pattern it made. Zilliqa, Next move up could be to this level right here. 0.0405, come close and then have some sort of correction. It'll slow down. Zilliqa will slow down once it reaches this level. I mean, pump in Zilliqa and come like this and then slow down here, waste time before we move up like that. How many days it took us to come down from here? It took us 224 days. So I think in about 150 days, 150, yeah, that is April, May. In about 150 days, we should be at this level, at least to 15 cents. At least to 15 cents in 150 days. By April, May, yeah, by April, May, we should be around this level. In about 150 days, we should be at this level, 10 to 15 cents level. Yeah, 10 to 15 cents. Because, you know, it's building a beautiful arc as I see it. Right. How much time it wastes here, that depends, bruh. Yeah. 2023, it's gonna be a challenging year for a lot of crypto. It could do this too, right? And then go. Okay. But yeah, this looks like a nice size of resistance here. Right, we have some resistance here, some resistance here. So this will be a tough to break. 0.04 to 0.05 will be a resistance to look for Zilliqa. But I think this crypto will do well. You know, it'll do well because I'm looking at the chart and I call it shark teeth pattern. Nothing goes down in the same pattern. See shark teeth? What is shark teeth? See this? That's what I call a shark teeth pattern. It's a microphone. You know, you can call it microphone or shark teeth, whatever you want, right? So if it went down in this manner, it'll go up in the same manner, right? So Zilliqa, at some point, when, I don't know, I can't be precise on the timing because timing is very tough to gauge, but $1 to $1.50 Zilliqa is coming. $1 to $1.50 Zilliqa. How it happens, man, you know, we can waste time here, go up, waste time here, and then, you know, do something like this. But this is where Zilliqa is going, in this range right here, like that. When it happens, cannot be right on the timing. It's gonna take a while. That's what's happening. See the shark teeth pattern? Yep. it could go as high as $3 by 2025. $3. $3 by 2025. So what is Silica right now? 0.02. Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, it'll waste time at this juncture right here. This is where it's gonna waste most of the time, I feel. Once it comes down to this level, waste a lot of time, you know, before heading up. Okay, but as I said, we are going to form some sort of arc. You know what I mean? Right. So it's about time, man. This thing is done. It's done. Ready to go. Ready to go. I have levels. I have precise levels on my Patreon. Patel Karan, how are you, brother? From another mother. Bitcoin Jason, nice music. Yeah, man. I love music. It's a copyright-free version. It's called Epidemic Sound. Right here. This is like a playlist I made. Of deep house vocals, jazz, you know, soul music, chill vibes. You know, I like chill. This music makes me feel like I'm on a beach, just relaxing, blue water, blue skies. Right? Just, you know, this is what I sleep to, not the music. I think about blue skies, blue water, palm trees, white sand. Oh man, beautiful. I love blue water. I love the color blue. Blue white combos, man, that's my favorite colors. Band protocol. Let's look at band, man. Band's been destroyed. Okay, this band protocol have been destroyed. I think it'll do well because it got battered. Haven't found the bottom yet. Let's see. What do you think? What do you think, bro? I think it found the bottom. Don't you think so? Yeah, man. Look at this. It found the bottom. Looks like. Wouldn't be able to get out of this triangle though. It's gonna come back down. It's gonna come back down. Won't be able to get out so easy. Not so easy. Like that. Something like this. But looks like this was the bottom for this 99 cents band. Looks like that was the bottom for. Or could we see this? Could we see this? Coming kiss here. Is it possible they could come kiss this level? Never say never. Never say never. See, I talked about triangles, right? Whenever triangle is about to end. So that is here in May. We could come and boom. Come and kiss this level. make a bottom, and then go up. Right. Never say never. Never ever. But yeah, band protocol is gonna do well. Look. This thing's going to $30. 30, yeah, $32 at some point in the cycle. So that is from here. That is at least 14x. Man, 618 is coming to $125. Even close to it is $80. $80, $88, $90. Coming close to, wow. Let's just put it here. Monthly. Yeah, man. if this thing stops here, we don't go down, then you can say we have a channel right there. Channel right there. The top's at 120. Right. See what I'm talking about? Just have to watch out for this. We could get a wick down right here to this level before we come up. We could waste time here before this thing goes up like that. 120, 125. This is where 618 is for band protocol. Let's just start from here. Yeah, even being very conservative, $88. Yeah, $88. But usually it goes above the 618. But if you look at from the top to all the way to the bottom, you know, then 618 is coming to 150. But I like to be conservative. That's why I said 100 to 125. Yeah, man. You know, but it's going to waste a lot of time, because if you look at this, it's building an arc, and the arc is just the beginning of the arc. So it has a lot of time to waste. So it's a small cap, so it's not going to pump right away. It'll pump and waste time and come back down to this level right here, to $2.50. Whatever the pump, all that pump will be lost. It will come down to $3 to $2.50 at some point. So it'll be a fake pump and waste of time. I'll come back down, and this is where I would buy. I would buy this in 2024. This is when I will switch. I would buy it here when it drops, when it goes up and drops, comes back down to this $3, $2.50, $2.30 level. This is when I would buy band protocol, you know. So right now I want to make money in the coins that are, you know, going to go up like 10x, 20x. This thing, you know, will not have as much pump. It'll stop here. You know, maximum level. That's it. Finito, bro. You know, it'll come back down. So what's this level? $5. 550 is the max. You know, you could get this Wix to $7, but that's it. It'll die after that, come back down to $2.50, $3 before it has a huge massive pump, right? Bitcoin Jason, nice music. Can I use it? It's a list you have made. Bro, it's a subscription service. If you buy the subscription, I don't mind, bro, you using this music. If you're able to find stray sound, it's fine. You have to, you know, I don't know if add collaborators or stray playlist. I can send you a link, but you have to pay the subscription. I think it's $20 or something like that, 20 or $30 for a month, and you'll be able to get this subscription. Brian, how are you, brother? Glad to catch you live, brother. Sure, anytime, brother. Anytime. How you been? How have you been? My brother from another mother. How are things with you? How are you holding up, man? I want to really attend crypto conferences, man, but those conferences are really expensive. If you want to speak to the founders and have dinner with them, it costs like $2,500 to $3,000 for these conferences. So I want to get some sort of freelance job at a crypto company where I go for, like, attend conferences all around the world, wherever, man. I don't even care if they don't pay me. Just pay for the conferences, man. I like to attend conferences and meet people, and you can get the inside information. You know what I mean? That'll be good for the company, good for our group, good for me. And in the future, we can build, there's this crypto wallet called Monarch wallet. My cousin is the CEO of that wallet, and I'm gonna speak to him as well, see what's up, how he did the seed round, and how he raised capital and stuff like that, how he got into crypto. This is the first, I think, decentralized wallet. He has it's called Monarch wallet. Monarch, MONARCH, Monarch wallet. He's my cousin, and he's the CEO of Monarch wallet. It's the first decentralized wallet. There are about 250,000 users right now on it. See, that's the wallet. I haven't used it, I use Ledger, but this is a decentralized wallet. But, he should have the inside information. So I'll call him, I'll speak to him. What's up? Hey, Jason, you brother, keep that BCH adoption in Australia going. Great work. Okay. You're in Australia, brother? Who's in Australia? Bitcoin Jason, I went to the Bitcoin Cash conference. It was great. I spent BCH the whole entire time in St. Kitts. Really? The adoption of Bitcoin Cash over there in Bahamas is crazy, even in Asia. Even in Asia. It's crazy. I haven't looked at Ocean. So it broke down this resistance. It'll be tough for it to break this one. But have we reached the bottom? That's the question. There's no resistance that is holding this. Can we come back down to this level? Let's find out. Ocean Protocol. Yeah, I think it'll start moving up to this level, at least, you know. You see a nice parallel channel. Oh, 150% pump for Ocean. Coming back to this level. And have some sort of correction before moving up. If this is the bottom, well, I don't, it looks like this is this the bottom? Remove this. If it has to come down, then it has to start moving now. both scenarios. I'm looking at both scenarios.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to the way I still you.
Look at that. It's so perfect, man. Symmetry. I love it. Love it. I think it's done, bro. You know, it'll stop here and it goes up.
Like swimming underwater, but you control my heart with spells. So I can't stand up, 'cause I'm not the kind of girl who paints your perfect world. I can't stand up. I feel your heartbeat. I know you're concrete.
That's how I see it, but it'll depend, you know. If we lose this level, yeah, difficult to say. This looks just perfect, right? Like, look at the symmetry of this arc and this arc coming up. This looks like perfect, made for each other. Let's look at the RSI. Yeah, man, RSI's got beat up, came down all the way. But the thing is, sometimes what it does is they fuck with you. It goes up, comes back up to this level, and goes back down like that. Then it finds the bottom. So we have to be careful with this. It makes a little arc like that. So, you know, if it's gonna go down, but right now it's ready to pump, bro. Tough call. Don't know. I would just stay on the sideline till it just pumps. It pumps up, dumps. It pumps up to this level. Once it pumps to this level, yeah, then we have more confidence. Once it pumps to this level, comes up, and then dumps back down to this level right there, comes back down, then we can, you know, get in here. If it does not lose this level, get in here and then go up from there. I'm onboarded a fish and chip shop today. We are building the resistance. Awesome, brother. Be back soon. I'm checking in on one of my merchants. Blake, how are you, brother? The next BCH conference will be in Australia or St. Kitts if they make BCH legal tender. Oh, nice. How are you, Blake? How are you, brother? You want me to stay, guys, or take off? Because I'll be making these short videos about other cryptos. I don't come live that much because, you know, you don't get that much, what should I say, coverage, right? But when I make these short videos, a lot of different audiences come, right? And they can watch these 4 or 5 minute videos. You want me to stay? Say 1. Want me to go? We can say adios here. Binance CEO, Coinbase executive feature in Masterclass Crypto Crash Course. Okay. Bitcoin dips and SBF hires a high-profile attorney following FTX collapse. Where is he getting that money from? He said that he only has $100,000. Who's paying for the attorney? Crypto markets today. Record Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discounts widens. Fallout from crypto exchange FTX implosion continues as the data showed the GBTC discount rate to Bitcoin hitting record high. Let's see, GBTC. Wow, bro, this is ridiculous. This was supposed to be a triangle. And it came out of the triangle and came to the end of the triangle. Look. So this can, you know, pierce right there. You know, and it'll be done. Boom. You see what I'm saying? This is GBTC. So are we gonna get a wick like that? This is not Bitcoin. This is GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So BTC. To $6,000. So can that happen? Well, you know, $6,800, $7,000. Anything can happen, bro. But you just gotta see here. So weird. Let's look at BLX, okay? weird. This chart looks different than the other chart. Which chart to believe in? Look at this chart and look at this one. Which chart you should believe in? This is 2013. Yeah. So if you draw a line, why such a huge disparity between a chart? Look at the lines, don't make sense. How low is it showing here? $206, $197. Oh, this one's $230. That's why. No, I'm putting a line here. $206. Still don't make sense. Yeah, now it makes sense. Look. Well, look at this way, it looks really bad. $7,000, $6,800. There's no room for RSI to go down, bro. The RSI is the lowest in the history of Bitcoin. The RSI is not going to zero. Look at that. The RSI will not stay here. It will not stay here for a long time. This was the longest RSI stayed. And Bitcoin was young at the time. Bitcoin was very young. So look, next time RSI stayed very little time here, little time here. So look at this time that RSI stayed here this low. Lowest RSI in the history of Bitcoin is being witnessed right now as we speak. It won't stay here for a long time, bro. So this will not happen. Everybody is waiting for this to happen. It'll not happen. I don't think it'll happen. I don't think it happens. Because everyone's expecting it. But hey, you know, it's very simple, right? Very simple. Like 3 years, 2021. In 2021, I said we will go to this number and come to $15,000. We were here at the time in 2021. I could see it, okay, happening. I made the case for $6,000 Bitcoin as well during that time. That is possible, but I don't think it happens. There are very few assets which have done, you know, stuff like this. Amazon did that, but it didn't go up this high. Bitcoin went up really high from, say, Bitcoin stopped here. It didn't go to 618 and Bitcoin stopped here, right? Somewhere here, $28,000, $30,000. If Bitcoin was $30,000, then okay, I can say, okay, we'll go to $7,000. But Bitcoin went down to 69 some thousand dollars. It hit 618. So this is it, brother. Yeah, this is it. I don't think it's going deeper than this. Blake Dillard, I am good, man. Bought a house finally with 1.6 acres in Mountain House. Oh, congratulations, brother. So happy for you. So happy for you. Congratulations. Economy to the moon. Randall McMurphy, Bitcoin is pumping.
Tell me a secret. Let me know. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile, begging me to follow. In a second, all this could be over.
You don't call this pump, man. When Bitcoin pumps, you will know. The whole world will know that Bitcoin has pumped. It's going to be crazy. Bitcoin dominance. Let's do Bitcoin BTC.
Tell me you love me.
These are the lines that we need to worry about Bitcoin. It's like holding on to this thin, like the dominance is just holding on, like a little string. Man, if what I expect happens, these altcoins will have the time of their life. You see this? If Bitcoin dominance loses this level, you know what happens? You know what happens? It'll be unbelievable. If Bitcoin dominance loses this level, you don't know what's going to happen. Boy, oh boy. The kind of cycle that we'll get is unimaginable. Unimaginable. Okay? It'll be unimaginable. Will it happen? If it has to happen, it has to happen. Time's ticking time bomb. Look at this. We're coming very close to the line. Is the arcs going to hold, or is this gonna, come back down to this resistance line? We have to see. We have to see that Bitcoin dominance is gonna go up. If something's gotta happen right now. See the points where we are touching this arc? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's coming close to 5th, So something's got to happen in next 2-3 months, next 1 or 2 months. I would say this month. If Bitcoin dominance got to drop, come back up, then it's now. We are at a very critical stage. If you count this drop and try to align the arc here, we're already coming out of the arc. We are coming out of the arc. That means Bitcoin dominance will go to 44. Yeah, 44. Yeah, very critical stage right now where we are. But boy, oh boy, we lose this level. When that happens, it will happen. Eventually, it's going to happen. Nobody will be able to stop it from happening when Bitcoin dominance loses this level. How far it goes on, this story of Bitcoin, you don't know. But when that happens, when we lose this level, boom, boom, that's what happens. That's where the altcoin, the biggest alt season, will come into play. Okay, when we lose this dominance, it's on a thin thread. This is the only resistance holding it. We lose that, man, get ready when that happens. Yeah, how long? I can't say to be precise when that'll happen. It could be 2023, 2024. Depends, bro. Depends. But it will drop. Bitcoin dominance probably drop to 10%. 10%, yeah. But it has to, see how fake out Bitcoin dominance did here. Not supposed to go up, but it did. We were supposed to stay below this, but how it went up and created this awkward pump for Bitcoin. Look at this. No one would have expected that it would go up. This was expected that it'll, and it crossed this line and went up. Shocking what happened here. Right. I'm just waiting for this damn thing. Look at this. Something's gotta happen. Either we go up, Bitcoin dominance just goes up like that, up to 48-50%, to 48 to 50%, and then crashes from there.
Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be.
So we could, because logically that's what makes sense, because Bitcoin needs power right now. So we could go hit this pocket of 48-50% dominance, go up, because this triangle is about to end. See this triangle? It'll end soon in Feb of 2023. Feb or Jan of 2023, this triangle ends. That's where Bitcoin dominance can just go up to, from, what is it, 40%? From 40% to 48-50%. Yeah, but when that turns down, when that Bitcoin dominance goes down, bro, you don't know. The biggest alt season of all time. You think this alt season, when it went down here, was good? You wait for what happens here. The biggest alt season, will happen like that. 10% Bitcoin dominance. I know it sounds crazy. Yeah. It sounds crazy, but yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Yep. Okay. Pick a coin you want, and I'll chart it for you. Pick a coin. Where's the house, Blake? In the mountain house? Where, bud? Which state? Which city? Mountain house. Is it like a vacation home for you, or this is your primary residence? This freaking Coinbase delisted this protocol. Can't buy it anymore. They delisted this coin. The pump that is going to come on this coin is going to be crazy. You know that? See? Look at the weekly RSI, bro. This gotta change. This thing is at like crazy levels. Look at that. This was on Coinbase, got delisted. So just on these bogus exchanges. I think Gate.io is okay. Looks like. Huobi, I think they partnered with some country. I heard Huobi is doing a token for a country. It was in the news. What was the currency? Okay, Huobi research. Our country's central bank digital currency. It was it helped the country. Which country? Okay. Huobi and Dominica to issue national token DMC. Look at this. I think it's Dominican Republic to issue national token DMC, initiating the new era of digital identity. On November 29th, Huobi announced on its partnership with the Commonwealth of Dominica, Tron, and DMC Labs. The three platforms were endorsed by the Dominica government to issue Dominica's national token, Dominica Coin, DMC, and digital identity, DMC. Holders will be granted digital citizenship of Dominica. This is the first significant step in Huobi's strategy of global development after its rebranding, manifesting its ambition to become a major player in the future stage of Web 3.0 and the metaverse. Both issued by sovereign country, DMC and DID are based on Tron network, the official national blockchain infrastructure of Dominica. Bro, this is huge. A country, got a token on this platform, Tron. I think Tron and this Huobi both are Chinese. But I don't care. This is a government. Government can print money. This is very bullish for Huobi and Tron both. I think I haven't looked at Tron. What's happening with Tron? Tron, I just disregarded Tron as Ethereum, fake Ethereum. But man, look, the whole market came down, but this Tron, look at it. I don't care what people say about Tron, but look at this, man. It's holding way better than this BS tokens. Poor guy, Justin. Everyone disses him, but this token came down only 70%. Look, man. Just because he's Chinese, he copied Ethereum, But hey. What do you think? So, such bullish news. The country's coin was built on Tron and Huobi. And Tron price not affected. Let me do something like this, pop out, and then go up. Tron's been there since what? 2018, 17. Hi Shrey, what's up, dog? 7 LBs, you better get moving. Okay, by the way, I have a challenge. I have a challenge with William Carroll to lose 30 pounds by March 30th. Again, okay. He's a lot older than me and a lot heavier than me. Shouldn't say a lot older. He's probably 5-6 years older than me, or 7-8 years older than me. But he's a lot heavier. I am about 197 pounds. He is about 300 pounds, 311 pounds. So, okay, the challenge is to lose 30 pounds by March. Who's into this challenge? By March 30th, we both will lose 30 pounds, depending on who loses it quicker. He's fasting. He's not eating for 24 hours. Man, I can't do that. I haven't started my diet yet. I'm sick right now. So, but I will soon start my diet. The goal is to become healthy this new year, right? Leave the sedentary lifestyle. Eat good food. Chicken breasts. I'll tell you my diet, what my diet will consist. It'll consist chicken, egg whites, fish, and green veggies. Every 3 days, I will have a carb load meal. That is oats. Once in a week, I'll have a cheat meal. Once a week. That's it. No alcohol. No alcohol. No, a lot older. You were probably 10 years older. I'm 42, man. You're like 52 or 55. What? Finished my 4-day fast yesterday. Yeah, you got a head start on me, man. So this is to just, hey, who else wants to join the challenge? If somebody wants to join the challenge, I'm 197 pounds right now. And water fast. Okay. Yeah, if I lose it, I'm going to stay lean. No, I don't want to gain that weight back. But my goal is to be somewhere around 175. 175. William Carroll. Okay, 60. Okay. 60. Got it, man. Got it. Okay. So, Bill. Bill is 60. Yeah, man. That's, the workout part will be tough for you. Because, yeah. And mind you, I have a torn ACL. My knee is messed up, but I will be training with a bad knee. And let's do this. Yeah, 30 pounds by March. By March 30th, we should be leaner. Okay? Awesome. Thanks for reminding me. I wanted to do this. So Bill and me are, well, there should be some sort of reward for the challenge, don't you think? Well, the reward is 6 packs for me. I have a family pack right now. Chubby me. You see my face? How big my face is? You know, this thing. You know, the face fat is the last one to go. All right, so that's it, man. It's done. March 30th. I should weigh somewhere around 175. That's the goal. 175. Between 170 to 175. That's the goal. We will do this. Bill, I'll start my shopping. Just don't like going shopping and cooking. That's the worst part of diet. You have to cook. You have to do everything by yourself. But we will do this. So GBTC is on a great discount right now, guys. Okay, anyone looking to buy, who's not into crypto, this is phenomenal discount. This is like Black Friday sale. GBTC. It's nothing unusual, I've seen many assets do this. An example would be Amazon. This price will not stay. GBTC. It's a great discount, bro. You don't know how good this is. This is phenomenal. But see, the fact that GBTC price didn't go up. Bitcoin price went up to 618. So you can't expect it to come down this low. GBTC's price stayed around 1. Right, just went a little bit over. So this is a good price action. Good price action for this coin. I mean, for this asset. GBTC is at a great discount right now. People will be grabbing it. We're making a lot of money here. Grayscale is at a discount right now. Grayscale Trust. What it does is it tells you, this chart of GBTC tells you a big move is coming. A big move up. If GBTC is going to pump, then Bitcoin is going to pump. Then only this thing's going to pump. Look, a V-shaped recovery right there for GBTC. It'll be like this. GBTC will only pump if Bitcoin's pumping. This thing's gonna... Wow. 600, 6x, at least 6x GBTC. Great discount. Great discount right now, GBTC. And these investors from the stock are going to steal this motherfucker. Look at this. Boy, oh boy. It will not stay here for long, man. Let's look at the RSI. People who don't know what is GBTC, Grayscale bought certain amount of Bitcoins. And it sells papers as a trust to stock market investors, right? Who wants to invest in Bitcoin. But they don't know, they don't want to open a... what is it called? A crypto account on Coinbase or, right? It's easy way to get exposure to Bitcoin. This is golden, bro. This is amazing. It will not stay here. It will not stay here for long. This thing's gonna go up to this level and above. Okay. Good time to get in. Good time, boy, oh boy. Good time to get in. Night, people. Thanks, Ray. It will be fun. Nice vibe. Where do you find GBTC? Anywhere. GBTC you can, I think, find on Robinhood. GBTC. Robinhood. I think Robinhood should sell GBTC. Grayscale Trust. That's what it's called. I'll find it for you. Yeah, you can find it on Robinhood, bro. Robinhood. GBTC. Okay, guys, you have a good night. I will see you later. Okay? Wherever you are on this beautiful planet, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. If it's night, it's around 8:48 in United States of America. I will study different charts and I'll make these short videos now. Okay? Love you all. See you later.